Good morning, students. Welcome to all of you in your English class. Today, we will do our next grammar topic, chapter 3, the sentence. So, students, take out your English grammar book and take out page number 60. Now, students, do you know what is a sentence? I tell you. A sentence is a group of words that makes sense. Now students, look at these sets of words. The first set of words, raining it is. The second set of words, it is raining. The first set of words does not make any sense. But the second set of words makes sense. It tells us that it is raining. This second set of words is called a sentence. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Let's see how sentences are formed. Look at these words. My friend is Raj. This group of words does not make any sense. They are jumbled or are not arranged in the correct order. Now, look at these words. Raj is my friend. This group of words is meaningful because they are arranged in the correct order. To make a sentence meaningful, group of words have to be placed in the correct order. Students, if the group of words are not in the correct order, we cannot understand what the words are telling us. To clear the topic sentence, I am sending you a video to related sentence.
What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes sense. For example, Ron is playing football. The sun rises in the east. Both these group of words make complete sense. Therefore, these are sentences. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. For example, Sam loves ice cream. In the sentence, the letter S is written in the capital form and the sentence ends with a period or full stop. Let's take another example. The children are playing. Here, the letter T is written in the capital form and the sentence ends with a full stop.
Now students, take out page number 17 of your English grammar book. Your A part is look at each picture and tick the sentence with the words that are in the correct order. Now look at the first. Drinking the is milk cat. This group of words does not make any sense because they are not arranged in the correct order. So put a cross in the box. Now the second is the cat is drinking milk. This group of words are meaningful and make sense. So tick in the box. It is already done. So move on the second. The lady is going shopping. This group of words are meaningful and make sense because they are arranged in the correct order. So put a tick in the box. Now the second set, the lady going is shopping. This group of words does not make any sense because they are not arranged in the correct word. So put a cross in the box. Now students, our third one is running is this boy. In this set or this group of words does not make any sense because they are not arranged in the correct order. So put a cross in front. This line, this boy is running. This group of words are meaningful and makes sense because they are arranged in the correct order. So put a tick in the box. Now, number 4 is sleeping this boy? This group of words does not make any sense because they are not arranged in the correct order. So put a cross in the first box. Now the second set is this boy is sleeping. This group of words are meaningful and makes sense because they are arranged in the correct order. So put a tick in the second box. Now students, your B part is rearrange each group of words in the correct order and rewrite the meaningful sentence. And students, remember to begin the sentence with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Now your first one is reads a book he. Now rearrange this group. Now write capital H, he reads a book. After that mention a full stop. Now students, your second set is like I drink to tea. Now rearrange this group of words. First you have to write capital I. After that like to drink tea and mention a full. Now students, take out page number 18 and look at the third one. A fruit mango is. This group of words does not make any sense. So rearrange these words and write here capital M-A-N-G-O. Mango is a fruit and end it with a full stop. Now students, number 4, have a pink dress I. This group of words does not make any sense. So rearrange these words and write down capital I, have a pink dress. After that end it with a full stop. Now students, fifth one is doctor is a my father. Now rearrange the words, write down capital M, Y, my father is a doctor and end it with a full stop. Now students, look at your C part. Color each play card having a meaningful sentence and it is your homework. Okay? So mention homework on the C part. Now students, take out page number 19 and your D part is look at the picture carefully and tick each sentence that is true about the picture. Now students, look at the picture carefully and read out the first sentence. The children are playing with a ball. And the children are playing with a ball. This sentence is true. So put a tick in front of the first sentence. Now students, our second sentence is the birds are flying in the sky. But students, there are no birds flying in the sky and there are no birds in the picture. So this sentence is not true. So put a cross in front of the second sentence. Now students, our third sentence is there are many trees in the park. Now students, look at the picture. There are many trees in the park. This sentence is true. So put a tick in front of the third sentence. Now students, our fourth sentence is there are 4 people in the park. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This sentence is true. So put a tick in front of the fourth sentence. Now students, our fifth sentence is the dog is barking. But students, there are no dog in the picture. So this sentence is not true. So put a cross in front of the fifth sentence. Now students, our sixth sentence is the little girl has balloons. But there are no balloons in the picture. So this sentence is not true. So again put a cross in front of the sixth sentence.